post-racial is a word that white people made up so that we wouldn't have to deal with issues of white supremacy and racism. I think it's one of those things that we say so as not to have the conversation, sort of like some of my best friends are black, or I dated an Asian woman once, or I have a dream catcher in my rearview mirror. All of these things are things that we say rather than really deal with the subject matter of racism.
Upon the courage of those who were in the struggle long before any of us were born. We must tell the story, the whole story, 400-year story of African American contribution to this nation's history from slavery to the present, without anger or apology. The problem we face today as a nation, make it plain, make it clear that there's still a great deal of pain that needs to be healed.
Hush, child. We need to be quiet now.